What's up, online shoppers? Let's open up this Shark AI Ultra Robot and see what you get in the box. Now this is a self-emptying matrix robot vacuum cleaner. It's going to clean your house in a systematic mapped matrix. It goes twice over the same spot for super effective cleaning, and it has 120 minutes of runtime. It has charge and resume. It's going to go back to the base, charge, and then go back out and continue cleaning, and program it until it's exactly where you want it to clean. Not a lot of assembly required with this. All you have to do is open it up and plug it in to charge. Here are the cleaning brushes that attach to the bottom of the Shark. So here's your base, here is your robot vacuum, and this one here has the 30-day capacity. You wouldn't have to empty the compartment here for 30 days. It's going to return to the base, self-empty, and then head back out again if necessary. You see that the wheels here are spring-loaded. All you have to do to insert these is place them on here, line up your brush, and put it on. It does a little snap noise when it is properly connected. In the front, you've got this 360-degree rotating wheel here for super maneuverability. And right under here, this is your carpet sweeper, this is your floor sweeper. It's gonna rotate to pick up the debris off the floor. And you've also got this little sweeper here that's gonna help clean off the roller. As well, back here is the door where the cleaning compartment comes off. And if we flip it over this way, all it takes to remove that cleaning compartment is a squeeze. This is self-cleaning, so the machine is going to do all this for you. Now underneath here, there's a little filter. This is going to need to be cleaned off occasionally. Now eventually, after many hours of use, you're going to have to replace this filter, but this filter is actually connected to the door itself. It's this entire door feature here that you would be replacing, and super easy to reinsert. Here's the front of the machine. You've got two buttons right here. So you've got a clean and a dock, and those are your manual overrides for anything. Even without using a program for this, you can actually send this out and it'll clean any room in a matrix. And when it does a matrix, it actually goes back over it a second time to ensure that it picks everything up. This is your clean button, which will just send it out automatically to clean for 120 minutes. This is your dock button. So if at any point you want to interrupt the cleaning cycle, you can actually just press dock and it's going to stop what it's doing and return to the dock where it will self-empty and remain there to charge. Right here is the release button so that you can take the side compartment off. And this is your 30-day bin. Inside of here is where all of the debris that the robot picks up is trapped. All you have to do is press this little button here. It drops the trap door, and then the inside of this you can empty it out. It does have a HEPA filter. It's not pushing dust, dirt, and allergens back out into the air while it's cleaning. There's a little window here that indicates how full your trash bin. There are three little symbols that will light up when it's powered up. One for a fan, one for charging, and one for home. Back here, that's where your power cord is stored. Now as well on the side, if you push this little button right here down, it opens up a trap door, and inside here is your HEPA filter. This again is something that eventually will need to be replaced, but you can actually take it out and vacuum it with just a standard hand vac to extend the life of it. Now up here, this is actually a LiDAR radar system. It helps the robot vacuum to navigate without bumping into things. So it does have a bit of a bumper here. And so if it runs into your TV stand or it runs into a wall, it's not going to smash and keep going. There's a little bit of a cushion action there, which is going to be friendly to walls and corners as well. So if there was something small on the ground, like say a charging cord, because it's under 4 inches tall, it might push it around, or if it was enough weight to depress the bumper, it would move away from it. But if it was taller, like say this, if it ran into this, because the LiDAR radar at the top would sense it and it would work itself around it and create a matrix around the objects. So this 360-degree LiDAR radar allows precision home mapping, and there is an app that you can install It's called the Shark Clean app. The app is going to allow you to monitor the progress of your vacuum cleaner. It's also going to allow you to check on levels and charge levels. Now, there's a couple different modes in this. There's one that's called recharge and resume, which means basically you have your Shark vacuum out cleaning. It is going to continue cleaning until it has finished everything. So if it cleans for 2 hours, which is that 120-minute window, it's going to return to the base, charge, and then resume cleaning. There's also one called evacuate and resume, and that one is for high traffic areas, say if there's pet hair or something that's particularly difficult or thick to clean up. Once you have it on evacuate and resume, it's going to return to the bin to discharge anything that would make this job more difficult. As well, now extended clean, say it took your robot an hour to clean a particular area. If it has another hour left of charge, it's just going to head out and continue cleaning in an area. Now as well, there's one other setting for this, and this is ultra clean. When you designate for your robot to ultra clean a room, it amps up the suction power so that it can really do a thorough job. Say you have a high traffic area where there might be a lot of sand tracked into your house. Ultra cleaning in that area will direct the Shark to suck harder and pull up more dirt and grime and dust from the area that you have indicated. Now, all of these different functions can be activated inside your Shark Clean app. Out of the box, I'm super impressed with my Shark Ultra robot vacuum with the Matrix Clean function. I can't wait to put this in action. I'm really looking forward to taking some of the weight off of me to do the vacuuming and putting it on this handy little robot. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that's going to keep your house clean and make your life easier and probably free up some time in the meantime, this one here will definitely be a family favorite at my house. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.